Okay, I I know I'm back. I'm back again. So today it's gonna be easy, like easy tutorial. I'm not even gonna do it again because I'm lazy. But like here, I'm just gonna explain how I did it on my recent edit. You know, the John Wick edit. There's like some glitches. You know, I got some DMs saying like, "How'd you do that? I want to learn how to do that." I'm like, "I got you. Just wait. I'm gonna make a video on it." And I have a cold, so just chill out. I might sound iffy right now, but yeah. So here's what you need to do. You need to duplicate your first layer or your main footage. Duplicate it. You don't have to mask it. Just duplicate it. Get an adjustment layer on top. That's all you need. So these are the effects you're gonna need right here. You see all this? You need Extract, Colorama, Displacer Pro, Pix Dither, and Deep Glow on your main effect. So or your main layer, you're gonna need that. Make sure you have it. If you don't, get those plugins. You're gonna need Glitchify, another one too. You need that, and Displacer. So just make sure you have these ready. If not, just go get it. Search up YouTube videos. So here. Oh my God, I need water. So here, duplicate it and turn off the first layer. Like turn off the eyeball. That's all you need to do. Go on your first layer. You need to add Extract first. And motion tile, you can just add that. It doesn't really matter. That's just because if you're gonna do like some transitions after, you might want to put motion tile here. So now you should put Extract, and this is what it would look like. You would just play around with the black points, see like this is what part you want to glitch out. You know, you pick out what parts you want to glitch out. Like you what if you want just the background? There you go. But yeah, once you figured out what you want to glitch out, there you go. Next step. You don't need to do keyframes. Next step, Colorama. So you're gonna add a keyframe on phase shift, or also on input phase. You open this up. Phase shift. You open it up. Keyframe at the start. Move to the end and just move this around. Put a keyframe at the end. It should look like this now. You don't even have to put any curves on it. You just do that. You're done. Next thing you know, Displacer Pro. You just put it on there. What are you gonna do? So you're gonna do translate X. So it's 60, right? Or minus 99. Put a keyframe. Put on minus 99. That means it's going from left to right. You get it? If it's negative, it's going from left. It's going to the left. So you go to the end. You can't really see it, but it is. Here's the keyframe. It is now. It's positive 99. You just put it at the end to make sure it fits the entire frame or the entire clip. So now it should look like this. You should use this graph right here on my flow. This graph on the translate X. That's what you need to do. Okay. Put this graph over it, and it'll look like this. So you're almost there. You're almost there. So now you can add Pix Dither. This one, it doesn't matter. You just put whatever you want. I just put mine to just copy my settings if you want. It's not that you just mess around with it. Okay, it's gonna save my project. Thank you, I guess. So there you go. It should look like this now. It's like the pixel. This is how you do the pixel glow effect on my other tutorial. See, you can even leave it as this. You don't have to do a glitch if you really don't want to. But this is pretty good on its by itself. So what you're gonna do is turn on the bottom layer. Oh yeah, this is the deep glow. This is my deep glow settings. It's just the original ones. So yeah. So if I check the layer on my the eyeball on this, it should look this now. See, there's no movement on the background. It's pretty weird looking. This is where we add our adjustment layer. So we already have our adjustment layer ready. We're gonna hop on it. We're gonna add Displacer Pro again, and just copy paste what you did to the bottom layer. It's the same thing, but now this is 79, not 99. So it's 79 at the start, negative 79, and at the end it's positive 79. You can't really see it, but here, see, positive 79 at the end. And same graph here. You all look at it. Same graph, see? Same graph here. It's just the values changed. That's it. That's about it. So when you do that, it should look something like this now. See how the background is moving with it now. It looks cleaner. So we can add. You don't have to, but you could if you have it. Glitchify. It should look a little bit more distorted. See how it looks more glitched out. Now you say, is that's done? No, one more step. And this is my Glitchify. Like here's my settings. You can copy it if you want to. But now you can add your deep glow to make it 10 times better. Watch. You ready? Boom. And you did it. That's it. You did the glitch, man. Proud of you. Good job. Woohoo.